In how many ways 5 different books can be arranged on a shelf in which there are no restriction that is given? So in a row we have to arrange 5 books, so we will write as 5p5, or we can write it as equal to 5 factorial. Now in the second question it is given that 2 books are always together, which means that you have to take 2 books and make a group, and there are 3 books that are distinct. So the total books that we are having now, that is equal to 4. So we can write it as 4 factorial. Since we have to arrange 2 books inside that, so you will write it as 2 factorial. So this is the outside arrangement, and this is the inside arrangement. Now let's move on to the third question. In this one we have to understand what is the number of ways if 2 books are never together. Firstly, we have to find if the books don't have any restrictions, we will write as 5 factorial, and if 2 books are together, we will write as 4 factorial multiplied with 2 factorial, and then we can subtract these two values. If I want to find it like this, and if I want to find it with the help of options that we have, so we can write these all are the 3 books that we will draw. Okay, the 2 books that can never be together, which means that we have to arrange those 3 books at these places. So how many places that we have? We have 4 places, and we have to take these 4 places to arrange those 2 books. So we will write as 4p. Then in these 3 places we have to arrange the different like the rest of the books. We will write as equal to 3 factorial. So you can get the same answer either from this one or from this one.